Hi, it's your favorite Nana. Well, since everything is going on with this COVID-19 or coronavirus, I guess I'm going to have to start doing my nails at home. And as you can see, I've hit this one and this one. And I kind of cut them up to cut off the part where I've hit them. But I also wanted to show some of the stuff that I just got. I don't have all my stuff in, so I can start doing my nails, but we will see. So I got some, I don't know if you can really see them. These kind of foil transfers that I could put on my nails after I polish them. Kind of holographic. We'll see what I use off of this. But, yep. And then I got this. And this has, see my sweater? It's one of the sweaters I made. That's the nail glue gel. And this is Modlones. I guess that's how you pronounce it. And then it has a dotting tool on one end and a brush on the other end. So I also hit this nail, but it's not as bad as these two. And these have rhinestones, the small ones in there. And I have some bigger ones already here that I can use too, but I don't have this. And I don't have this. This is the glue to glue the rhinestones on. And I've used acrylic before, but I'm not that good at it. Putting these nail foils back in here. So I decided to do gel, the poly gel, and just fill my nails in. So I ordered this one, and I ordered this kit off of Amazon. And we are going to open this together. This will be my first look at it. Oh, okay. So, and of course with everything I would need a lamp, right? And I didn't have one of these either, so I got this. Oh, look at this. Let's move that box out the way. Got the little gelling kit, and it comes with files. Of course, the plug and the lamp itself. And I was concerned about how this lamp was so that my nails can fit under here. So yeah, and it looks like I just put my thumbs in there. Oops. As you can see, put my thumbs in there like this together. I have to find somewhere to set this up at, since I'll be doing my own nails at home. I don't know how long, but so yeah, I'll just be doing a gel fill until I can get back in the shop with my new nail tech. Put the files back in there. And put that back. And now let's open this. Look at that. And that was that. And I ordered everything that you see off of Amazon. And I'm a Prime member, so it came the next day, which is today. I ordered it yesterday. Ooh. So I got that, and then it has this on there. So, and I have my cuticle pusher, of course. And this also comes with, what's that supposed to go down there? A dotting tool right here. And then it has the soak off polish. Wait, is that, or is that a color? Maybe, okay, that's a color. That's a color. That's a color. And I think, hold up. Oh, all of these are polished. Yeah, so all of these are polished. Okay, that's like a black. I hope you've seen that. I went by it really quick, trying to look at it. Ugh, if I can open them. Okay, and this one is like clear. And it also has this cuticle oil in there, but I have some from Sally's that I use every other day already. Cuticle oil. Okay, let's get all these out of here. Oh, that one's like a gray. So all of these are the polishes there. And this one is like another clear. Oh, this one is like a silver with glitter in there. I might have to try this one. You know, I like the glitter stuff. And I like to bling out my ring fingers. Ooh, it's another glitter. I'm not really sure what color that is, but it almost looks purple. Like an iridescent purple with glitter in there. Pretty. So, we got those. And I figured we will unbox these together. And oh, okay, hold on. Let me grab some scissors. Since I'm struggling. Okay. Everything is right here. So, we got nail stickers. I might have an idea for these. Maybe I could, and that's why I got the gel. Maybe I can encapsulate those. And, oh, guess nail tips if I wanted to French tip my nails, but that would be for my toes. That's what I would use them on. And more tips. These are the alcohol pads. Little cute little brush. Dust off get all the dust off. And of course these for my toes. And these are the little striping. It's the striping tape. It's in gold and silver, if you can see that. There's the gold one, and there's the silver. And look, more rhinestones, the more bling. And oh, that's for your cuticles. Cut your cuticles. And I already have one, but it's always nice to have more than one, just in case I can't get to it. So yeah, that's everything that came with this. So now I am waiting on let's get that in there, my nail drill to come, and acetone, because the nail drill that I have is an old one, and it only has a file on there. It doesn't have all the other bits I need. Clean up my cuticles, buff my nails, and all that stuff. So, yeah. And acetone, because I don't have any more polish remover. I normally go to the shop. So, to get all that done. So, see how spoiled we get? So, yeah. If any other long nail divas is watching this video, how are you holding up during this? Let me know in the comments. Looks like we're going to be home for a while. And myself, I've been quarantined for 2 weeks now. So, yeah. This is something. Makes you think about all the stuff that you would normally go out and do. But I don't mind being at home. I got stuff to do. You know, our basement flooded, so I'm still cleaning that up. And we actually got everything that was on the floor up. So, yeah. So when I do start my nails, I will try to record that video after I get a place set up for me to do them. I will try to record that. Yeah. So, and we will go from there. So stay healthy, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.